let us take a look at our Cowboy runner game, which is an infinite runner game that we are going to create inside of this course. So here we have this nice main menu. We see that we have this nice animation of our text. We have two buttons to play the game and the other to connect to our Google Play leaderboards and post our score. So we see that our backgrounds are scrolling, simulating the effect of the infinite background. If I click play, here we are in our gameplay. I can jump. We also hear the jump of our player, but now I'm stuck with the obstacle. I'm going to die. If we die, we are going to receive this panel. We can click here to go back to our main menu, or we can restart the game. So if I click pause and click here, we are going to resume the game. And here we are running again. We need to jump on our obstacles in order to avoid them. If we also touch the zombie, we are going to die. And now we can simply restart the game, and notice here in the top left corner, we have meters counting how many meters we have, well, passed here. And we need to jump, well, in order to jump over our obstacles and jump over the zombie who is going to kill us. And if I go here, this is how we are simulating that infinite running effect. So let me just restart the game again, and I'm going to turn off the player so that we don't get him killed. And let's take a look at a little bit of these backgrounds, and this is how we are simulating our infinite background effect. So we are going to see how can we use this parallax scrolling to do the same thing. How can we spawn our obstacles, move them from this side up to this side, and when they go here, how can we, well, deactivate them and respawn them again, so on and so forth. So we are going to take a look at all of these cool things. How can we do them? Let me just activate my player again. So here he is. Let me try to jump and avoid these obstacles. And this is our infinite runner game. So in a few simple steps, we are going to create it and see how can we actually do that. So I'm going to stop talking now because I know that you can't wait to create this awesome game and see how can you actually create one of the most popular games out there, an infinite runner game. So see you inside of the course where we are going to create this awesome game.